Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore micro front-end deployments. How micro front-ends are built, served and scaled in production. Micro front-ends are an exciting pattern for large front-end applications, so let's jump in it. Let's understand what are micro front-ends. Micro front-ends break up a big front-end into small independent applications. Imagine you have an e-commerce application which has the product catalog, the shopping cart and the checkout could all be separate micro front-ends. Every team owns one micro front-end and can work independently without stepping on each other's toes. Deployment is also independent, which is one of the biggest advantages. So, it breaks a monolithic front-end into smaller applications and it is owned by independent teams. It is deployed separately without affecting others. So these are the key points of micro front-ends. Let's understand why micro front-end deployment matters. Why is deployment so important for micro front-ends? Because each team can deploy updates as often as they want. No need to wait for a big coordinated release. This improves speed and scalability. Plus, one team can use React while another team uses Vue, and all of this integrates at deployment time. That's the power of micro frontends. So the key points are micro frontends deployments are faster, they are more scalable across teams, also tech agnostic. That means each team can choose their own technologies. One team can build their part in Angular, another can build in React, one can use Vue. So now let's see what are the different deployment strategies that we normally follow in micro front-end architecture. When it comes to micro front-end deployment, we have four major strategies. First is build time integration, where all micro front-ends are compiled into one big bundle. Second is server-side composition. Here, micro front-ends are put together on the server for each request. Third is client-side composition, where separate micro front-end applications are loaded on the client. And fourth is edge side includes. That means the CDN stitches micro front-end fragments at the edge. Let's look closer at the most popular one, client-side composition. So, it is most commonly used. So, client-side composition is very common because it is very flexible. Here, each micro frontend is built and deployed separately. Maybe one is hosted on Netlify, another on AWS S3, then a small shell application often called a container. It fetches micro frontend URLs at runtime. Tools like single page application SPA or module federation helps make this happen. The shell integrates them into a seamless UI without worrying about version conflicts as long as each micro frontend is backward compatible. That's what makes independent deployment work in practices. Now let's understand about tooling and CI/CD part in micro frontend. Some key tools help make micro frontend deployment more easier. Module federation in Webpack lets you expose parts of one application and import them into another at runtime. Single SPA act as a micro frontend orchestra, so all your micro frontend plays together. Finally, use a CI/CD pipeline for each micro frontend. For example, a GitHub action or Jenkins pipeline can trigger a build and deploy the newer version of that micro frontend independently. That way, if your team updates a product catalog micro frontend, you can push it live without touching the shopping cart or checkout. So the key points are module federation webpack. It dynamically loads remote components. Second is single SPA, popular micro frontend orchestrator. Third is CI/CD pipelines. It automates each micro frontend's deployment separately. Now, let's understand the example architecture. Here is a quick example architecture. The shell application is responsible for loading each micro frontend separately. Micro frontend 1 could be your user profile section deployed on AWS S3. Micro frontend 2 might be the shopping cart deployed on Netlify. Micro frontend 3 could be a checkout module served from Vercel. The shell fetches each micro frontend and renders them together into one unified UI, all independent and individually deployable. Now, the summary. To sum up, micro frontend architecture lets team work faster and independently. But successful deployment requires careful versioning and an integration strategy so everything fits together. Thankfully, tools like Single SPA and Module Federation take care of most of the heavy lifting. And setting up a proper CI/CD pipeline for each micro frontend will help you deploy safely and continuously without any surprises. And that's it for this video. I hope this overview gave you a clear understanding of micro front-end deployments. If you would like a deep dive into specific tools like Single SPA or a hands-on demo of Module Federation, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.